5th October, right?
Yeah, so there's some problem?
No problem.
No problem, very good. Can you jump, Wendy? Stand there.
Sure.
Okay. Jump. Great. You can play, you can do everything,
Yeah.
you are good to go now. Now we don't need again, until you break it again and you have a fall. Right? इनका ACL टूटा था, हमने इनका ACL बनाया था 5 महीने पहले। तो तुम भी हिंदी बोलते हो? तुम समझ रहे हो मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ? मजेदार लोग पूरे हिंदी सीख गए। तो अब कोई मेडिसिन जरूरत नहीं है, अब केवल एक्सरसाइज करने का है। ठीक है, ये बटन है छोटा सा, हमने क्या किया? This ACL was broken, right? This is ligament from this bone to this bone.
Yeah.
So I made a hole in this bone. You see this hole?
Yeah.
You see this hole? I made this hole. Right? Then a new ligament was put here.
Okay.
And see, you didn't see the operation. You was
I didn't see. I was scared.
You were scared, too scared to see the surgery. Okay. So ligament was folded like this.
Yeah.
So now we have, and a rope was put here.
Yeah.
And in rope there was a button.
Yeah.
So this is this button.
Yeah.
Now this button goes in and I flip it. Now you pull it, it cannot come out.
Will not come out, right?
It cannot come out, right? And then this ligament was put here.
Okay.
And then the screw was put
Yeah,
on
the
this.
screw.
The screw was put
So the screw will remain there for life?
for life. No problem.
No problem.
It's a titanium
Or yeah?
for life.
For life.
In 5 to 6 months, this ligament will catch, will hold this bone now. Now we don't need this screw and this, but we don't take it out. There's no need to take
No,
it
no
out.
problem.
Right? So now you can do everything you want.
So we can play.
Yeah. Start playing.
Thank you so much.
My pleasure, my friend.